Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel. So, our trip to Chickmagalur is about to start. Here, Dennis the Menace is standing here, and we are about to load our luggages in the car. All right, come on. Do we take a shoe? Yeah, take one shoe. One pair of shoes will be okay. No, I'm taking one shoe. It is cold. It's cold.
Snack bag here. Snack bag.
Snack bar.
Very good morning, guys. It's 5:12 in the morning. We are supposed to leave at around 4:30, but it's already late, and the plan is not going as it was planned. One of our friend is not well, so he had to stay back. So we are going to Chickmagalur. So basically हम लोग का जो कार में टायर प्रेशर थोड़ा कम था, तो वी थॉट ऑफ लाइक चेकिंग इट. अपने पास अपना जो पोर्टेबल प्रेशर किट होता है वो है, तो वी आर जस्ट टेस्टिंग इट. बस चेक कर रहे हैं कितना है प्रेशर. सो कार इज़ फुल रेडी. कल ही फुल टैंक कर दिए थे. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी कोल्ड आउटसाइड, और अंदर कौन है यू कैनॉट सी, सो यू हैव टू लाइक clean it and say hi. I don't think it is still visible. So it's very cold outside. It's almost 19-20 degrees है. तो we are waiting for Dennis to come. फिर चलते हैं. इतना तो फॉग नहीं दिख रहा है, बट लेट्स सी. सो ये कुछ सीन है बाहर से, जैसे मैं दिखाया आपको ये क्लीन करके. सो नाउ इफ़ आई क्लीन फ्रॉम इनसाइड यू कैन सी बाहर. सो नीड टू क्लीन इट फर्स्ट, देन ओनली वी कैन ड्राइव. तो गाइज ये इट्स अ फुल मून आई गेस. इट्स रियली लुक्स गुड. बहुत ब्राइट है. एंड डेनिस इज़ कमिंग. विल सी. हमने गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर लिया है. थोड़ा हीट अप हो जाने दो, और डिफॉगिंग भी चल रहा है अंदर. So after a long ride, we stopped for breakfast, and it was Hotel Udupi, Vrindavan, and it was a good breakfast. Having some tender coconut water. Look at it.
Next time.
So Dennis is driving S-Cross for the first time, right?
No. Not first time.
Okay. But this one,
No, this one
is it? Okay. No, for like long drive. Long drive is first time, right? Okay.
only one time.
Yes. That is.
I think went to your house.
So basically, when you drive inside town, it is different, and on highways, it is definitely different. Now I'm like enjoying the back seat.
The moment I'm saying
Journey till now is good. So finally we reached to our stay, like we are staying here, and this is kind of hall, one room here. He's taking rest. So this is like hall, and then that's the second room with a lot of space, good space. Here they have extra mattress as well. Two bathrooms, one is Indian and one is Western. And this is a space like kitchen, and they have induction stove as well. So now we'll take some rest and then we'll plan where to go and what to do. अभी फिलहाल we'll have lunch, उसके बाद पता नहीं कुछ मूवी देखने का प्लान चल रहा है, and उसके बाद we are going to this place. If you can see, I don't know, just okay. So this lake is just 7 kilometers something from the place we are staying. उसके बाद we'll plan for tomorrow. Like once we come back from that lake, we'll plan. Or ऐसे while returning we'll plan for dinner as well. We'll let you know, and तब तक you can enjoy. And here now we'll have food. We'll have biryani. Let's try biryani because बहुत बढ़िया rating था तो देख के order कर लिया है. We'll see how it tastes, or we'll let you know the place where we ordered from, so that you guys can also enjoy. So finally we got our food. This is chicken fried rice, chicken lollipop. This is chicken biryani, and this is mutton biryani and chicken lollipop.
Healthy rice.
Yes, kind of healthy rice.
Have they given raita?
Yeah, we got raita as well, and something else is there. So let's taste and see. We'll let you
What is
know.
this?
So we just had our lunch, और lunch was like okay, not that great कि इतना भी खराब नहीं था, but okay था. So I'm not suggesting the name. अगर अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट और कुछ नहीं मिलता है then I'll put that name in like on screen, और description में मैं उस होटल का नाम आपको मेंशन कर दूंगा. तो अभी जस्ट खा के थोड़ा लेटे हुए हैं, नॉट एग्जैक्टली स्लीप या फिर नैप वैप, कुछ पावर नैप कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट ऐसे लेटे हुए हैं. और आई एम जस्ट टेस्टिंग दिस माइक. आई डोंट नो इफ हाउ इट वर्क्स. आप लोग कमेंट पे बताना. आई विल आल्सो चेक द क्वालिटी. एंड फिर मूवी लाइक थोड़ा बहुत हमारे पास बफर टाइम था तो इज वॉचिंग अ मूवी. सो उसके बाद वी हैव प्लान कि 3 बजे हम निकलते हैं लेक, द लेक विच आई शोड यू राइट. तो वहाँ जाने का प्लान है. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. 3 बजे निकलने का प्लान है. तो वी हैव अ बफर. इट्स लाइक ओनली 135, right? 135, yes. So it's only 135. तो दिखता है. 3 बजे निकलता है रेडी होके, and we'll let you know. So now the time is 3:43. We thought of leaving by 3:30, right? So we wanted to leave by 3, but we couldn't keep up with the time. So हम सो गए थोड़ा सा, हर कोई सो गया. तो फिर अभी उठे and रेडी हो चुके हैं. So we will leave in some time. It's only 7 to 8 kilometers, so I hope we'll cover it very like fast. So let's hope for the best. तो फाइनली वी रीच द लेक एंड व्यू सही में बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि वेदर इतना प्लेजेंट था। और फिर हम सोचे थोड़ा भुट्टा खाते हैं। ये देख के इतना सेटिस्फाइंग फील हो रहा था, जस्ट वेट कर रहा था व्हेन वी कैन हैव इट। यहाँ और वैरायटी फूड्स भी मिल रहे थे, लाइक मैगी, मसाला मैगी कुछ भी बना रहता है, एंड टेंडर कोकोनट वाटर एंड वाटरमेलन, बहुत कुछ मिल रहा था।
Okay, wait,
Finally,
Daddy will take
had
and give
the
you. How many do you want?
भुट्टा
One
in
or
our hand to have it.
two? You want one or two?
ये फ्रूट को लोकल लैंग्वेज, आपका लोकल लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं आप कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखना। एंड हियर ही इज़ पीलिंग। ये एक रेड कलर का भी आता है, पिंक कलर का, और देन ही मिक्स सम मसाला एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट टेस्टेड रियली यम्मी। वी एंजॉयड दैट एंड देन वी वेंट फॉर द व्यू। दिस प्लेस वॉज रियली अमेजिंग। इतना पीसफुल था, इतना शांत था, सुकून बोलते हैं ना, सही में सुकून मिल जाता है ऐसे प्लेस में। आप आओ सनसेट के टाइम में या फिर सनराइज़ के टाइम में। सनराइज़ के टाइम में इट विल बी वेरी अर्ली, बट हाँ, यू कैन कम अराउंड 4:35। आप आ सकते हो, यू कैन सिट एंड रिलैक्स फॉर सम टाइम। और यहाँ एक ऐसा ब्रिज काइंड ऑफ बना भी था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो टूटा हुआ था एंड इट वाज लाइक लॉक्ड, तो उधर अलाउड नहीं था एंट्री। Basically we are stuck here for last 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes I guess.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Over 20 minutes now.
It's been over 20 minutes we are stuck here because of the traffic. After some 40 minutes, I think we are again stuck. See, look at the traffic, man. We are just moving for some 10-20 meters, then
Not
again
going
we
to
are
open the
getting
mirror
stuck.
at all. That guy said again, thank you. He said, okay.
He'll again come.
He said, okay, and went.
So we are driving on the right side of the road. Basically, this is a foreign country like US. You can consider it as US roads, but Indian cars. So right hand drive, and lane is right. So finally we are like go. I think. I hope.
Should you say finally?
No, I hope. This time I'm saying that I hope that we won't get any traffic jams, roadblocks. And yeah, now we will decide next where to go. कहाँ जाना है पता नहीं. So we'll decide.
Go have tea and then.
अभी हाँ, first thing is chai. Chai is important. Chai.
Nathan, chai. Coffee.
So we'll have tea, then we'll decide what to do and we'll plan for tomorrow. So the thing is, आते वक्त I was driving, तो इतना ज़्यादा footage नहीं ले पाया. I thought of taking some good footage, but शाम हो गया और it's like dark, so I couldn't shoot anything. Like I'm not getting any good view. So we went to that lake and yeah, view was really good. It was awesome. And बाकी का जो review है ना, so that we'll get from our very lovely Jiju. all my subscriber knows him as Jiju only. So he'll only say how it was like. He'll share his experience. आज दिन भर like from the time we started अभी तक का सफर कैसा रहा और how is Chickmagaluru. Over to him. He'll only carry on. ये बताएंगे how was the trip because आज the best part is like uh, even I drove. He was driving like he started. Then I took over. Then Dennis was also driving. So even he'll share his experience. He's the cameraman now. So as of now, we'll take the review from Ashish Mukherjee. Yes, please.
So the journey we started from Bangalore was at around 5 a.m. and the traffic was minimal, but when we hit Nagasandra, what is it? Nagasandra, near IKEA. So from there till we hit the Bangalore border, it was the traffic was little there. And then once we hit the highway, we were pretty smooth and we were cruising at around 80, 90. We went Aramse and then stopped in for breakfast, and post that we Benny took the wheels. Yeah, Benny was driving out there, right? It was good because the burden was shared by three drivers, so it was not very tiring at all. And the weather also is really good. On the way we saw a lot of windmills. It was something probably first time experience after many years after I left my school. So that was one very good experience. And then when we entered into Chickmagalur, our hotel was right at the border, so we didn't have to go enter the city completely. So, and the stay also is very comfortable. Food was okay. We had decent food in the afternoon. Then we planned to go to a lake nearby. The lake's name is Hirekalal Lake. So we left around 4 p.m. in the evening and stayed there for almost 1.5 hours. Clicked a lot of pictures. Had bhutta. Bhutta means corn, and then we had grapefruit. Grapefruit that was really yum. And then we did some photo sessions called our near and dear ones at home. The day was good, but the only part of the tiredness was halting at the returning traffic for almost 40 minutes. I mean, it was standstill traffic. It was not even moving, and it was like coming out of that traffic was a big challenge for all of us. But yeah, it was only Dennis who did the driving, so I was this time I was the one who was relaxing, so my feet and everything is really nice. As a whole, the day was good, pretty much relaxing. So looking forward to tomorrow. Thank you.
तो गाइज ये था आज का दिन एंड लिटिल बिट टायर्ड क्योंकि आज ट्रैवल किए इतना दूर से. आई थिंक वी आर नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर नाउ. अभी हम फूड ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं तो देखते हैं व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइक विल सी कैसे आता है खाना. एंड यहाँ का खाना इज़ लाइक लिटिल बिट स्पाइसी. मे बी लोगों को पसंद होता है. सो इवन आई एम ओके विद दैट. वी आर ओके. जो भी ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं हम लोग वी आर ओके विद दैट. तो अभी आई एम लाइक अबाउट टू एडिट इट. सो व्लॉग एडिट करता हूँ एंड विल अपलोड इट फॉर यू. फिर कल मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग के साथ. नई चीज़ें करते हैं, कुछ नई जगह घूमते हैं और आप लोग को दिखाते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय.